That out of the way, welcome again. Welcome to Sitka, Alaska. Sitka, Alaska is situated on Baranof.
So I'm going to get on and off the
I took an
island.
airplane in at the beginning of the summer. You get what you pay for, right?
Correct.
And right now we are in the heart of Sitka, Alaska. Fahrenheit.
It's in summer.
Winter time drops to about 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's warm.
And you also have views of the ocean. And no matter what the weather is doing, the view is going to be incredible. Whether you've got clear blue skies or a beautiful low misty fog, it's going to be a beautiful day. It is a full-service hospital for raptors such as eagles, owls, and hawks.
This was Sheldon Jackson Infirmary. The need for this facility by such a small town reflects the threat of tuberculosis and other diseases to Alaskan Native people. And now it's a hostel. Presbyterian missionaries first built on the site in 1882. Americans at the time labeled Native people savages, did not grant them citizenship, and refused to recognize property rights. I walked to the national park to see the totem poles. The indigenous people created a unique style of art. The curving, swelling line creates three-dimensional shapes using three elements, the ovoid, the U, and the S. Figures include bears, wolves, long snout. Frogs have big eyes. Many of the poles that I'm going to see are renditions of the original poles. What is left of the originals are in the Totem Hall and the Visitor Center seaside porch. There are several types of totem poles. House posts are carvings on the support poles of the houses. Frontal poles are freestanding, placed against or near the front of the house, displaying clan crests, history, and or legend. A mortuary or memorial pole honors a living or dead person with a plain pole and a crest symbol on top. The family deposits ashes of the deceased person either in a box on top of the pole or a hole in the back. The bottom figure may be an upside-down human-looking figure and a raven between its paws. At the top of the hat is a frog facing downwards. This is St. Peter's by the Sea Episcopal Church. It is the oldest standing church in Sitka, built in 1899 of stone and wood in Gothic Revival style. Let's see if it's open. It is open. That's something you don't see every day. It has a glass window with a Star of David right there in the middle. Captain George Foster Emmons, 1811 to 1884, was commander of the USS Ossipee. It sailed into Sitka Harbor with the United States and Russian commissioners for the ceremony transferring. This was the first home in Sitka to have plastered walls. the Alaskan Territory to the U.S. on October 18th, 1867. From 1843 to 1867, this historic house was part of the Russian Empire. Those are Russian musket balls. Fur gallery. This is chinchilla, and it is so soft. These are actual wolf faces. Downtown is approximately 4 blocks long and 1 block wide. How beautiful. But since I sit in front of a computer all day long when I'm not traveling, I don't think I need one. And we are now back in the main town. Ooh, walrus teeth, 500 to 5,000 years old. Salty Sal's. The original burned down. Here comes the tender. The ship is so close. Actually, I'm a good enough swimmer that if I do the backwards dog paddle, I could make the ship. Of course, I'd probably freeze and plummet to the bottom from hypothermia before then. For some reason, I always thought Sitka was on the mainland, but it's not. It's on Baranof Island.